In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search lead in Zoho CRM. When you're working in Zoho CRM, being able to quickly find the right lead can save you a lot of time and prevent duplicate work. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use the global search, also known as the keyword search, so you can jump straight to the lead you need without clicking through multiple screens. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account and you're on the main dashboard. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search icon in the top bar. This icon is your starting point for finding leads anywhere in your CRM. Go ahead and click on that search icon to open the search field. Next, click into the search box and start typing your keyword. This could be the lead's name, like a first name and last name, their email address, or even the company name they're associated with. Zoho requires at least 3 characters before it starts returning results, so make sure you type more than just 1 or 2 letters. As you type, Zoho will start suggesting matches based on what it finds in your records. Once you've typed in your keyword, you can either press enter on your keyboard or click directly on one of the primary search suggestions that appear below the search box. Clicking a suggestion will take you straight to that record, which is handy if you immediately see the lead you were looking for. By default, this global search looks across all modules in your CRM, not just leads. That means it may show contacts, accounts, deals, or other records that match your keyword. If you only want to see results from the leads module, look for the drop-down or filter option near the search icon. Click that drop-down and switch the filter so that it focuses specifically on leads. This will narrow down the results and make it easier to spot the exact lead you need. If you don't see your lead in the initial set of results, don't worry. At the bottom of the search results panel, you'll find an option labeled View Advanced Search. Click this to open more detailed search settings. Here, you can apply additional filters and sorting options, such as filtering by lead status, owner, or other fields that are available in your CRM setup. Using advanced search is especially helpful when you have a large number of records and need to be more precise, and that's all there is to it. By using the search icon, entering a clear keyword, narrowing your results to the leads module, and opening advanced search when needed, you'll be able to quickly locate any lead in Zoho CRM.